Hey, what's going on, everyone? So today I am touring in the West Valley side here in Glendale, Arizona. What's really nice about this community that I will be showcasing today, all the homes come standard with a 3-car garage. And what's really nice too, it's only 20 minutes away from the Westgate Entertainment District, where State Farm Stadium is and where the new Mattel theme park is being built. So stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Kamusta Kamabines. My name is Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. If you're brand new to my channel, I go around and I showcase brand new construction communities, and I showcase their model homes, move-in ready homes. I also do resale homes and do area tours as well. So guys, if you're in the market for brand new construction here in Arizona, or if you're wondering what specific areas look like, definitely hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you can follow me in all of these home tours. So again, we are in Glendale, Arizona. If you're unfamiliar where Glendale, Arizona is, I'll go ahead and I'll put up a map for you so you can see the orientation of where Glendale, Arizona is in relation to actual Phoenix City itself, okay? But Glendale is in the West Valley side. It's near Peoria, it's near Surprise, Arizona. And Glendale, Arizona is a really nice area. In this community of Landsea Homes, it is called Marlowe. And all the homes are 2-story homes, but what's special again is that all of these homes have 3-car garages, okay? So usually that's an upgrade that some builders may have or can include, but all the floor plans has 3-car garages. So the smallest homes all the way up to the bigger homes has that space for you, okay? The home that I will be touring today is called the Christopher Floor Plan. You're looking at 5 bedrooms, a total of 3 baths, just over 2,500 square feet, okay? This is the largest plan that they have. This community is an exclusive community. There's only 80 homes being built in this area, and there's, a few lots left. So, if you are in the market to purchase in Glendale, Arizona, this should be an area where you should have your eye on. So with that being said, stick around to the end of this video. We'll go ahead and get into the HOA. We'll dive further into Glendale, Arizona itself. We'll talk about average lot size, build out times, what to expect, and all that good stuff, incentives. So with that being said, guys, let's tour the Christopher Floor Plan. Okay, guys, so here is the Christopher Floor Plan. So again, standard 3-car garage here with all the homes. As you can see, if you see the ones that are being built right now, see 3-car garage, 3-car garage, 3-car garage, 3-car garage. That is standard with all the homes here. This is only a 2-story community. Okay, so there's no single-story communities. Again, there's 4 different floor plans, but this is the Christopher Floor Plan, okay? And I'll go ahead and I'll put up the different elevations here on the screen so you could see what other elevations they have of the Christopher Floor Plan. But this is really nice, guys. This is only 20 minutes away from the Westgate Entertainment District, okay? And in that same area, you have AT&T Stadium, you have the Vi Resorts that they're building, their Mattel theme park that they're building as well. But really great area. Okay, so as we walk in, okay, again, we're looking at 5 bedrooms plus a loft, 3 baths total, and a total of 2,526 square feet. But as we walk in, you have 9-foot ceilings here. Okay, these are upgraded flooring as well with standard. I think you have this 12 by 12 tile flooring, but these are like 6 by 24. You have a bedroom on the main level. So this is great for guests, for in-laws. If they have trouble going upstairs, they do have that bedroom, and this comes with a 3/4 bath, okay? This is also shared as the guest bedroom, okay? Bathroom, I mean. So bedroom plus 3/4 bath. So that's really awesome. Here is the closet down below, and it wraps around, so it's pretty deep. A lot of good storage there, okay? 9-foot ceilings here in the foyer and in the main living space upstairs as well. But as you notice, as we continue to like the dining area, it gets really tall. So a lot of natural lighting and just makes the space feel a lot open. To the right hand side, you do have your stairs going upstairs. I love how the stairs here is really wide. Okay. Here's the dining area. Really good sized dining area. You have a 5-seater round table there. You have benches on that against that wall there, and it just leads to the backyard. Okay, this is a 3-panel sliding door. I had it open so you could kind of see that outdoor indoor kind of lifestyle. All right, but before we go outside, let's go to the kitchen. So here's the kitchen. Really nice kitchen here. Okay, quartz countertop, really nice large island. You have 4 benches here that you could put. There's a lot of additional seating there. Okay, you got farmhouse style sink. You have the stackable oven and microwave. You have the in-pocket range with a nice hood. A lot of cabinets, 42-inch uppers, a lot of space, you know, to prep your food, cook your food, serve your food, all that good stuff. But here's that point from the kitchen. So here's your main living space, your dining area, so you can still interact with your guests, right? And it's so open, guys. I really love it. Okay, so here's your pantry. And this leads to your 3-car garage. And here's the main living space. Check out this sectional. This will kind of give you you know, an idea of how big this main living space is, right? So this is like a 7-seater, 9-seater realistically. Really nice and large sectional there. You can still put a huge round table in the middle here, okay? But still a lot of space. They have a fig tree there, right? But you can definitely have even a larger sectional if you want, and a lot of space to go around as well. So it's not tight at all. Okay, here is the entertainment system, but really nice large main living space. Okay, and again, it's just open concept to the kitchen and also the dining area in its own little space. Okay, so let's go now and take a look on the outside. You have a covered patio area here, nice and spacious as well. Okay, they have it as seating area, dining area over there. You could do it either way. I would suggest getting a gazebo if you want to have it more, you know, in the backyard. But really great concept here. Okay, you could do the exact same idea with the pavers, the agave plants. You know, you have small bushes here and there, rocks, with the turf as well. So this is kind of that desert landscaping package. Again, guys, in all my new construction videos, I always say that when you get a new construction home, the backyard is just bare. Okay, so this is an idea that you can definitely do. A lot of nice turf here. Okay, you can put a small little swing set for the little ones. This could be like where your dog run is. You have a nice little dog house here. Check that out. If you're nice, I'll put this in the offer. We'll get you this dog house. But on this side, you do have access to your 3rd-car garage. It looks like they do have a AC unit there for the garage, which is awesome. Okay, side utility gate there as well. Okay, but this is really spacious. So at the end of this video, we'll go over like the average lot square footage and all that. Okay, HOA. But this is the backyard exterior. So you have a lot of space between each neighbor, right? I mean, granted, they are still 2-story, but they have good space. You guys have good space. And check this spot out. So this area could be like where you do your raised beds. Maybe you like to garden, right? So you can put your raised beds here and plant all your vegetables and fruits and all that good stuff. And on this side, you have your AC units. So a lot of space here still, right? So you have a lot of options. You know, bring out your creativity, because again, this is going to be bare. You know, you could do as you want. So let's go ahead and make our way upstairs.
Love these tall ceilings. You have windows all around as well, so you have all that natural lighting. Okay, here is your primary bedroom, just tucked away in its own little space. And on this side, you have a nice loft area. You have 3 bedrooms here. You have a full bathroom as you walk up the stairs. Okay, and here's bedroom number 1. Really good space too. If you have a kid named Harper and she loves to skate, this is your calling for this house. Here's the loft area again. Now they have it as like 2 seats here, you know, a nice cabinet for some extra storage, a table in the middle, but they have the cable right there. So I would have it as if you wanted like an entertainment system up here, like just like a small little TV. You would have like a couch up against this wall. If you want a sectional up against this wall, up against that, and just hang your TV on that wall. Okay, so that's how the setup would go. But this is a good setup as well. You know, arts and crafts area here for the kids. Here's another bedroom on this side. May the force be with you. Yes. Star Wars themed. This is great. Really large and spacious bedroom, guys. And on the other side, these 2 rooms here are back to back. You have 1 room on that side that we just came from, but here is the other room. So really nice nursery here if you have a young one, you know, that still sleeps in his crib. If you're still nursing, this is a great idea for the bedroom. And right off of that room is your laundry. So now, where is the primary bedroom? Primary bedroom is way over here. So here it is, guys. Here is the primary bedroom. Here is the bathroom. Nice sink there, toilet area. Here you have a soaking tub, shower combination, or if you don't want a soaking tub, there are some plans that it's just a straight huge shower. So they have that option as well. And here is the closet. So nice, large closet, shelving system there. Really, really awesome. Kitchen. Not the kitchen. Here is the kitchen. Okay. All right, guys, so just a recap here. Upstairs, you have a total of 4 bedrooms, okay, with a loft. We just came out of the primary, 3 bedrooms on this side. You have your laundry just around this corner here with the full bath. And on the downstairs, you have another bedroom there with another 3/4 bath, okay? So a lot of space here, a lot of space for everyone. Really great open style concept kitchen. Nice tall ceilings as you get to the dining area. Large sliding glass door. That's a 3-panel sliding door. Okay, guys, so that was the home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, we just toured the Christopher floor plan. So the Christopher floor plan is their largest plan. They don't have any move-in ready available because they just go like that. But if you are interested in this plan, just feel free to reach out to me and I'll talk to the on-site agent and make sure that, you know, you're aware of when the next Christopher plan is available. Okay, so let's talk about the HOA. The HOA, you're looking at about $132 a month. Okay, that covers common area maintenance, covered playgrounds. If you have a dog, there's a dog park in this community as well, and you also have shaded pavilions. Okay, so that's $132 a month. As far as school district goes, you are connected to the Washington Elementary School District. And again, there's 4 different floor plans and each floor plan has 4 different exteriors. So I'll go ahead and I'll put the 4 different floor plans on the screen there. Okay, now with Landsea Homes, there are spec builds. So what you see the price on the website, if you go to Landsea Home website and you go to the Marlowe community, you may see those prices attached to those homes. Those were the base prices, but
Landsea Homes moved to being spec builds, meaning that when they release a lot, everything has already been predetermined for you. Okay, there's no longer like, a lot that's empty that you build from the ground up and you get to choose the options. The builder has already took all the great upgrades and he's already put them into these spec builds. Okay, so there are different homes, move-in ready homes that actually I'll put on the screen for you so you can see the different move-in ready homes. That is the final sales price, okay? So there's not like a lot premium or anything like that. That is the final sales price that you'll be paying. Okay, so as far as total homes in this community, this is a pretty small community in relative to some communities that's building homes by the thousands, okay? This community is only 80 homes in this community. Okay, there's only estimated about 20 lots left, all right, that is available. Current incentives, all right, you're looking at a 4.99 interest rate with a 2-1 buy down. What is that buy down? So your first year, you're looking at 2% drop interest rate. So your first year is only 2.99. Your next year is 3.99, and then it'll go to the 30-year fix of 4.99%. Okay, the conventional, you're looking at 5.75 with also a 2-1 buy down, and they're also giving $9K towards closing costs. Okay, so that is really awesome, and that is for March closings. For April closings, the interest rates does increase just a little bit. Interest rates right now in relative to the current market interest rates, these are still amazing interest rates, guys. Okay, so let's talk about what is near this community. Okay, so again, you are 20 minutes away from the newest theme park that's being built called Mattel Theme Park. Okay, Mattel Theme Park, that is Thomas the Train, Barbie, Hot Wheels are making a huge awesome roller coaster there that you can see right on the freeway there. Also in that same area, Vi Resorts is going to be this huge entertainment resort. They're going to have a man-made beach there. There's going to be concerts there. There's going to be all this great entertainment with Vi Resorts. Okay, there's AT&T Stadiums also in that same area. You also have the Westgate Entertainment District. So, you have so much things that you're so close to within this community. This is just a really great location. Okay, as far as grocery stores and your basic amenities, I will go ahead and put that on the screen with drive times for you. Okay, but it is very close by. This community is very convenient, to the access to the freeways. Again, you're in Glendale, so you have the luxury of going to Peoria, Anthem. You're closer to like Flagstaff, or you could go down south and go hang out in Gilbert or Chandler. So it's like central towards everything, both north, south, east, west. So I really love Glendale. Okay, so guys, again, that was the home tour. And if you have any questions on this specific community, if you want to know more about the different floor plans, I'll probably come back out here and shoot some other video on some of the other floor plans. Definitely make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. And, you can see all those other home tours that I do. Okay. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.